Hi, my name is Alexander Frezza from L'Antiquario in Naples. Welcome to Nikka City Shakedown. In this episode, I will take you to explore my favorite rituals and locations in the wonderful Naples. Let's go. Naples is a wonderful city. What I love about it is over 3,000 years of character, culture, tradition that overlap, and all the wonderful rituals that take place here every day. One of my favorite rituals is a cup of espresso. Coffee is a daily ritual in Naples. This is one of my favorite places. Very hot cups for coffee and a very dense flavor of Neapolitan espresso. From here, we take my favorite means of transport, which is the underground. Naples Underground has some wonderful stations dedicated to art. Take a detour in the quartieri spagnoli, adventure up the vicoli, go and say hello to Maradona. I love walking through the historical center, touching thousands of years of culture, Greek, Roman, Spanish, French, English, all mixed together. Each one has left a small trace of itself. And from here we head to the Riviera. That over there is the island of Capri. This is Castel dell'Ovo, Vesuvius and Sorrento in that direction. And now let's go to L'Antiquario. We are located in the �ْqu𝐤𝐢 neighborhood in Naples, in a road historically occupied by antique shops. Naples has a long heritage of art and culture, and this was an old antique shop that we transformed into a bar. My cocktail is called the Tamburo. It's a variation on a very famous contemporary classic called the Revolver, based on whiskey and coffee. I'm using my favorite Nikka whiskey, which is a coffee malt with its round and warm aroma, and some hints of tropical fruit that I think go very well with the Neapolitan coffee. Neapolitan espresso, sugared, a shot, a local herbal and saffron liqueur, and a good dose of our Nikka coffee malt. We fold it all together and strain it into a wonderful cold coupe. Lemon zest. And this, my friends, is my Tamburo. So come to Naples, experience the culture, the arts, the traditions, live the daily rituals, and come for a cocktail at L'Antiquario.